we're going to talk about personal statements a bit. And personal statements are tough because people have so many expectations of amazing personal statements and how, well, they haven't overcome paralysis or solved peace in the Middle East, so how are they going to write a personal statement? But really, I think that's way too high a threshold. It's not really about being unique when you're thinking of personal statement topics. It's about being authentic. And so I really want you to focus on that, on authentically, who are you, and what experiences bring you to law school and why. Be insightful, be authentic over being unique or memorable. Okay, I can't stress that enough. The personal statement needs to leave people with a positive impression of you. So if you're talking about something that is going to worry a law school, that's probably better off for a diversity statement or an addendum to show something you've overcome or something you struggled with would be more appropriate there. Personal statement should really be about something you've done of your own volition, your own initiative, rather than something that simply happened to you where you're passive. If you're talking about something that's happened to you and you're passive, it's probably closer to a diversity statement. So those are some tests you can use for content on a personal statement. The most important things for a personal statement are to avoid writing your own letter of recommendation. You don't want to sound cocky, like you're speaking highly of yourself, and you want to avoid conclusions and overgeneralizations. I'd rather you, and this is true in law school on your exams, and it's true in the practice of law, but you rely on facts to make an argument. And that's what you're doing in your law school personal statement. You're deciding which facts to include to make the point you're trying to make. So really focus on facts. I want to learn something about you from the beginning of the essay that makes me want to keep reading. I do not want a fancy hook. I don't want to feel like I'm reading a mystery novel from the beginning or a thriller. I simply want to learn something about you that makes me want to keep learning about you.
Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I wish you all the best and take care.